What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are all well. Quick review regarding yesterday. I think Nasdaq might hate me. I don't know, but anyway, um, we took a loss with this. You know. Oh no, this was not the trade. This was the trade. Sorry, this one was the trade. I'm so sorry. This one was my initial trade. This one was my initial trade, and I took a loss on that, and then it worked out. Well, later on in the day, of course. Wait, let me see. It went for that London high, and then price went down, took out that daily low, and came to that 15-minute, the one that I marked, I think on Tuesday, right? I think on Tuesday I've been speaking about this, where I wanted to see price come into this, and it did just that. And we had a nice reversal, price respecting the upper half, nice reversal to the upside, as you guys can see. Yeah, I don't know. Lately, bro, I think maybe my psychology is messed up. I don't know. I even felt like taking a break from trading, but I'm like, nah, bro, I'm not gonna leave the channel like that. I'm not gonna. I feel like this is okay. I can still take a break and still look at the charts though. I think I probably needed like a proper mental break. Not gonna lie. 24 May. What's today's date? Okay, I need to remove some end dogs just for the chart to be clear. So what I'm gonna do is things that are actually old, I'm gonna remove them right now real quick. End dog 24th of May. It's been 5 weeks now, so we're gonna definitely remove this one. 24 May, this one, and this one. And then we're gonna remove this one. I think it's the 17th, right? Yeah, this one, gotta go. And this one, brother, this one. Hopefully that makes it much cleaner. Yeah, it does. Also, this has to go. Uh, you know what? If you gotta go, let's not get attached to these things, bro. This one gotta go too, right? And what else? I think that's it for now. And I'm gonna delete this because we're not using that. Not using that. And then we have this big first Favela gap, which is very, very, very big. So I'm just gonna leave it like this for now. 24th of June. I'm gonna delete this one. The one that we had for the 12th of June, I'm gonna get rid of that one. 12th of June gone. 23rd, we're still using this one. This one, oh, we've been using it a lot lately, eh? 9th of June. Okay, it's gotta go. It's gotta go. 9th of June. It's gotta go. It's more than 3 days. Way more than 3 days. Um, yeah, I feel like that's pretty much it for now. Pretty much it. Hopefully the chart is a little bit more clearer. We're waiting for market open. Oh, analysis. Why did I say what would happen? We're gonna create a fair value gap on the daily, and this is the fair value gap that we're using. So we wanna see, does price is price gonna continue going lower, expecting that midpoint and continue going lower because we already tapped into that first fair value gap. So as you guys can see, this is the midpoint of that first fair value gap. This is that upper half of it. This right here. I don't know. I think we must find a way to mark it cleaner. I know what to do on the daily because I feel like us knowing the way it is very important. So we have this, and then we have daily fair value gap, consequent encouragement. This is the midpoint of this daily fair value gap. Just be noted of that right over here. And then on the 15-minute, I saw that. Okay, on the 15-minute, we have this big fair value gap right over here. I want to see how price is gonna treat this. I thought this might actually close below that, and then we'll give you the confidence if we want to see higher prices, and I want to see price come back retest it. So basically, if it had just stayed, if this was closing below this, I'll wait for retracement back up using this fair value gap, see come back into that, and then use that. Um, yeah, but currently right now, as you guys can see, it's respecting it a bit. So we're gonna have to wait for market open, excuse me, and see what happens. And we have the London high, we have I mean London low, London high right over there. I ideally want to see lower prices. We have really nice liquidity on the downside. Um, yeah, I want to see lower prices. I'm not gonna lie. I want to see lower prices, especially now that we are tapping into that on this daily chart. We are in this fair value gap. We want to see what price respect this lower half of it. Then we can just get maybe a trade to the downside, perhaps. Nothing too far-fetched, of course. So we have to wait for market open, and then yeah, we'll see. We'll see of that. I'm gonna just delete this for now. We have to wait for market open. There's a daily range high. Mm, we're kind of expecting. Oh, this is a news candle, by the way, at 8:30. Usually, from what I see, price usually comes for this news candle. It usually does. So I want to see it get swept away and potentially see this London low get swept as well. Um, okay. I was checking. And then we know 70% of the time price will wanna come for the midpoint. So let's just see. Is market open? So opening price. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's our opening price. It did not close below it, and we already tapped into this fair value gap, literally into this one. But we're gonna wait for it to close below because it might do like a bit of a retracement, and let's see if it takes out this landed low. This midpoint really aligns nice with the new week opening gap. consequent encouragement right there. London low got tapped. On the highway and I'm taking it. Bum, 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 bum. Dun, dun, dun. We didn't take out these lows yet on Nasdaq. I mean on the S&P 500. Well, never mind. Looks like it's gonna do that. It's gonna do that. Dun, 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 dun. We took out this London low. I think I should reach this. The open range gap midpoint. This is our first fair value gap. So you know the rules. We're gonna wait for this 15-minute candle to close first. And yeah. We're coming back into this first fair value gap. I wanna see if price is gonna respect the lower half. Very nice. These nice lows right there in this one. But we have that primary right over here. Those 1230 low right here got swept on NASDAQ, but then on ES, this 1230 low has not been swept yet. Which is this low. Let's see who's is gonna get swept. Yeah, yeah. Ugh. Dun 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 dun. Okay, so that now this. But take out this primary sell side. And it looks like we might just close the gap as well. I'm also looking at price coming back into see this big fair value gap, but price coming into this first one. That's where my mind is at right now. I want to see. This is a bit, dude. This over 291 points. Crazy. This is an insane drop, bro. Where we going? Yeah, price coming back to this. Bro, this sal is insane. Mhm. This sell is insane, bro. This candlestick is insane. Came back into this. That happened so fast. So let's see, do we get a retracement during the macro to continue with this? Let's see, we're gonna come back into this. Continue to weddle. We'll wait for the macro and see what we get during that. So far, this closed below this one and this one. But this one, let's see this retracement in this 50-minute second. Will give us an opportunity. Let's see. I don't know, Chad. That's for value gap right now. Like it just wants to continue, bro. My next target, my eyes are set on this. I want to see what that's press when I take this up. Bro, is this even legal, bro? This is ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. If you ask me, it's insanity. Let's wait for the macro and see do we get set up during the macro. Right now, we currently left this first fair value gap. So I see if price gonna tap into that and then continue going lower. Jesus fell short there. On E as that low is closer. Hmm. This is madness. We're about to get back into the macro. Let's see, do we get a retracement during the macro? Excuse me, or not? We are back into this, the first fair value gap, price tapping back into this and into this fair value gap. That would be a nice short. Okay. I didn't enter this yet, so I just want to see if it gives me of a value gap or something, maybe between these, and then I'll use that to enter. I haven't entered anything yet, so let's just see if it grants me that. Let's see if it grants me that luxury, and then we'll see from there. Okay, I'm in. Let me screen record that. I'm risking $30 in this position. So yeah, that's the trade. And then the TP, I think it's on the. I think it is. It's this daily low, right? Yeah, that is basically the trade. My TP1 is nearby, it's like $18. And then the rest of the position is 27, 27. Yeah, you guys go. Let's see how it works out. Wait, I'm about to. TP1 is about to get hit. TP1 is hit. And now we're left with the other one. Let's see how this goes. Why is it not showing the position? Oh, yeah, TP1 was like around about there. Let's see how the rest of the trade pans out. Let me stop the recording for now. Yeah. So what made me enter this trade? Ideally, I'm not gonna lie, I should have entered when it was coming into this. Coming into this. What you call this? Coming into this fair value gap. But I wasn't really attentive at the time. I think, we're in a different time frame. Yeah, yeah. And then ideally, I should have entered. I want to use this to enter, but that's fine. And then when this broke down and we got a fair value gap in that, I used that to enter right over there. So let's see, is price gonna take out this low or not? Having that aggressive. Having that retracement right now at the moment. Having that nice drop right there. Bro, how come from this to this is over 200? That's insane, bro. It's insanity. So we're just waiting for these to get hit and then we are done. Bum, bum. Bum, 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 bum. We almost did TP1. Oh my days, it's 4 o'clock candle, bro. You're right there. Surprise, bro. You're literally right there. We're literally almost there. Like, let me check. We like, or we were like 50 more pips. Ah, we just gotta submit, bro. Submit to time. Hopefully, there's not some reversal because we already swept out this low. 'Cause that would suck. I'm gonna put my. Let me show you guys. I'm gonna move my stops to just above this. I mean, just yeah, just a little bit above this midpoint. Because we're going back to the entry, and yeah, we don't want the wicks doing this damage now. Even if it just taps into it, we want to see it at least have a bit of retracement if it does tap back into it. Be back at my entry. Here goes, here goes. I'm just seeing this as a retracement, and hopefully, when price comes and taps into this, we continue going back down. Hopefully. I haven't moved my stops yet. I think I'm just gonna let it do what it has to do, man. Okay, come back into this 5 minute fair value gap. Having a nice rejection over there. So basically, if you lose this, it's gonna be break even on the day. Mm, Dun, 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 dun. I mean, Jordan, let me record this for you guys so you can see. That's where we are currently. So ideally, we want to see price respect the midpoint of this fair value gap if we want to see lower prices, which is right here. You guys can see I'm in drawdown. So, bam 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 bam. Hmm. Dun, 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 dun. As you can see, I might just get stopped out. Dun, 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 dun. Boom, boom. Damn, so it created relative equal lows with these two. Yeah, boys, we might just get stopped out. There we go. There we go. And we got stopped out. Break even day. So we break even. So I see it's using this as an inverse. You guys see that it left and it came back, tapped into that. Delete that. Yeah. I want to see if Pi is gonna still use this first for value gap. See this and that. But it created an SMT divergence. So I think it is gonna continue going higher. Because it didn't and then it did. But that's it from me. I'm done. Break even day didn't make anything from this. I lost $2 from this. So yeah. I'm gonna check you guys on the next one. Oh well, oh yeah, the macro is done. Yeah, I'm gonna check you guys on the next one. But cheers, 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 cheers.